In a rapidly changing automotive landscape, where electrification dominates headlines and traditional sports cars seem a dying breed, one car stands as a beacon of what we love about driving. The Lotus Emira isn't just another sports car. It's the car that could define and perhaps even save the future of a legendary brand. Lightweight, stunningly beautiful, and surprisingly usable, it's an emotional farewell, being the last internal combustion engine Lotus ever made. And today, we're diving deep into what makes the Lotus Emira truly great. One, Lotus DNA lives on. At its core, the Emira is an embodiment of everything Lotus has ever stood for. Colin Chapman's philosophy of simplify, then add lightness echoes in every curve and every component. This isn't some bloated grand tourer. It's a dedicated mid-engine sports car, meticulously engineered to be as light as possible, while still offering modern comforts. The chassis is a bonded aluminum architecture, a spiritual successor to the Elise and Exige, ensuring a phenomenal power-to-weight ratio and razor-sharp handling dynamics. It's built from the ground up to be a true driver's car, pure, unadulterated, and engaging. Two, hydraulic steering feel. Now, let's talk about something truly special, something increasingly rare in today's performance cars, the steering. The Emira proudly retains a hydraulic power steering system, rather than the more common, but often numb, electric power steering you find in most rivals. This isn't just a technical detail, it's a direct line of communication between your hands and the road. You feel every subtle nuance of the surface, every shift in grip, every ripple in the asphalt. It's an unfiltered, pure connection that makes the Emira feel alive, truly earning its title as a driver's car above all else. This singular feature alone sets it apart in a crowded market and speaks volumes about Lotus's commitment to the driving experience. 3. Powertrain options. Underneath its sculpted rear deck, the Emira offers a fascinating duality of powertrain choices, blending heritage with cutting-edge performance. For the purists, there's the supercharged 3.5-liter Toyota V6, a familiar and beloved unit from the Evora, delivering around 400 horsepower. Crucially, this engine can be paired with a wonderfully engaging 6-speed manual transmission, a true unicorn in modern sports cars. It's a powertrain that champions tactile feedback and traditional driver involvement. Alternatively, for those seeking modern efficiency and blisteringly fast shifts, Lotus offers a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine sourced from AMG, producing 360 horsepower. This unit comes exclusively with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. This strategic partnership allows Lotus to offer a compelling blend of thrilling performance, impressive fuel economy, and state-of-the-art technology, ensuring the Emira appeals to a broader spectrum of discerning drivers without compromising its core performance ethos. 4. Everyday usability. One of the biggest criticisms leveled at older Lotus models like the Elise and Exige was their uncompromising nature. They were brilliant on track, but a challenge to live with daily. The Emira fundamentally changes that narrative. Lotus has made a conscious effort to imbue it with genuine everyday usability. Step inside and you're greeted by a beautifully designed modern cabin. The seats are supportive yet comfortable, perfect for longer journeys. You get a proper infotainment system with a crisp touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a clear digital instrument cluster. Crucially, the build quality feels robust and premium, a significant step up. This isn't a car that demands sacrifices. It's a sports car you can genuinely drive to work, take on a weekend road trip, or simply enjoy on an evening cruise. This newfound refinement opens Lotus up to a much wider audience, making high-performance driving more accessible than ever before. Value and rivals. Perhaps one of the Emira's most compelling attributes is its incredible value proposition. With a starting price point around $100,000, it positions itself squarely against some formidable rivals, the peerless Porsche Cayman GTS, the nimble Alpine A110, and even some base models of the iconic Porsche 911. What the Emira offers, however, is a unique blend of exotic looks, uncompromised driver engagement, and genuine exclusivity at a price point that undercuts many of its more established competitors. It's a car that turns heads, sparks conversations, and offers a driving experience that feels far more special than its price tag suggests. For the enthusiast seeking something truly distinctive with a rich heritage and a pure driving focus, the Emira presents an undeniable case. Bonus, the last ICE Lotus. And finally, we arrive at the Emira's most poignant and perhaps most impactful feature. It is the very last internal combustion engine Lotus ever made. This car marks the end of an extraordinary era, a final fitting tribute to decades of lightweight, analog sports cars that captured the hearts of drivers worldwide. As Lotus fully commits to an all-electric future, with models like the Avia hypercar and the Electra SUV, the Emira stands as a significant historical marker. This isn't just a sports car, it's a piece of automotive history, instantly collectible and destined to be cherished. It's a swan song that ensures the spirit of pure driving lives on, even as the world transitions to a new paradigm. The Emira is more than just a car, it's a legacy. The Lotus Emira is beautiful, it's exquisitely balanced, it delivers an unparalleled driving experience through its hydraulic steering and choice of powertrains, and it introduces a level of usability never before seen in a car wearing the Lotus badge. It's not just a successor, it's a rebirth. This is the car that could unequivocally put Lotus back on the map and secure its future for generations to come. What are your thoughts on the Emira? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to IGNITR because this is where horsepower, tuning, and performance never go out of style.